Hello, hearty welcome to our channel Sci-Maths. You might have astonished by seeing the thumbnail hydrogen plus oxygen is equal to water. The lie. Why this has been given title to the particular video. Let us go to the full details. The main concept is hydrogen and oxygen kept together in any container will not react at room temperature. It is the true. Then how it is forming the water molecules, we will see in details. If you look at a bottle of water, you are looking at one of the most stable compounds on the earth. On paper, the reaction to create it look very simple. That is 2H2 gas molecule, oxygen gas molecule gives rise to 2H2O liquid, where the delta H is equal to minus 572 kilojoules per mole. With such a massive release of energy, you would expect hydrogen and oxygen to snap together the moment they touch, but they don't. You could leave a mixture of these gases in a jar for 1,000 years and you wouldn't find a single drop of the water. It is the true. Why? Do you know the reason? Because thermodynamics tells us where a reaction wants to go, but kinetics tells us if it has the energy to get there. To turn these gases into water, we have to break the hydrogen bonds and oxygen bonds at first. The oxygen-oxygen double bond is particularly tough. This initial investment of energy is called the activation energy. The symbolizes EA. At room temperature, the average kinetic energy of these molecules is like a toddler trying to jump over Mount Everest. According to the Arrhenius equation, K is equal to capital A E to the power of EA by RT, where EA is high and the temperature is low. The rate constant K becomes effectively zero. The molecules collide, but they just bounce off each other like billiards balls because they lack the punch to break their current bonds. Then how the water molecules are forming? This is where our chemical cheat code comes in, which is called catalysis, specifically precious metals like platinum or palladium. When hydrogen and oxygen molecules hit a platinum surface, a process called adsorption occurs. The adsorption is a physical phenomena that to surface of a solid. The platinum atoms have vacant d orbitals that interacts with the electrons in the hydrogen and oxygen bonds. This weakens the intermolecular bonds, effectively unzipping the molecules into individual atoms on the surface. Now, instead of needing a massive collision to break bonds, the atoms simply slide across the metal surface and find each other. The platinum provides an alternative reaction pathway with a much lower activation energy. Then, what is the mechanism? In a catalytic environment, the reaction follows a multi-step mechanism. The first step, adsorption, hydrogen will be absorbed on the surface of the platinum and form hydrogen-platinum compound. Next step, adsorption of the oxygen in the platinum surface gives oxygen-platinum compound. Third is the reaction. Oxygen platinum plus hydrogen platinum gives OH platinum compound plus platinum. The fourth step is formation of water. Hydroxide platinum plus hydrogen platinum gives H2O plus 2 platinum. Notice that the platinum is regenerated at the end. It isn't consumed. It is just a facilitator only. Then what is the real world impact of this reaction? This isn't just a theory. This exact principle is the heart of hydrogen fuel cell. We use platinum electrodes to allow hydrogen gas and oxygen gas to combine at a low temperature, capturing the 572 kilojoules of energy as electricity instead of just heat. So the next time someone says hydrogen plus oxygen equals water, remind them it only works if you have the key to unlock the energy barrier. Without a catalyst or a spark, there are just two gases passing in the night. So, the overall summary in a tabular form, we will see as per the thermodynamics, delta H is less than 0, it's an exothermic. The reaction is spontaneous. But where is the kinetics? High activation energy, reaction is inert at room temperature. They both are contrary. Now, what is the solution now? The catalyst is introduced, whether it may be palladium or a platinum. It drastically lowers the activation energy and allows the reaction. This is happening in the formation of water molecules. This explanation will satisfy the thumbnail. Please express your opinion on this video in comment section. If you like our video, please subscribe and share among your friends, and continuously watch our channel for new videos on science and mathematics day to day. Thank you for watching this video. Good.